Hello gourmet friend, I hope you are well today. I am very excited because today we are going to do the chicken cocotte Grand Mère. It's a classical and famous French recipe, and I remember it was made by my grandmother when I was young, but she didn't put wine in the sauce, I'm sure, but it was very nice. That will warm me up without breaking the bank. The ingredients are very simple and affordable, and as was saying the master chef Paul Bocuse, was a potato or a large potato was already a grand cuisine. And remember at the end, if you like this video, put the thumbs up and subscribe to my humble channel, then to encourage me to create more videos like this one. Now, without further ado, let's fill up the kitchen with the white wine sauce and the smell of the fresh from the mushroom and the wine sauce. Gourmet friend, welcome back to my kitchen. Here the ingredients, they are simple and affordable. Basically, chicken, flour, potato, mushroom, chicken stock fresh, I'll show you how to make it, white wine, oil, and what they call clarified butter, and my little beautiful smelly tarragon fresh from the garden. Simple ingredient and cheap ingredient. Now we're going to start by cutting the chicken. Okay, just stabilize your chopping board, then it's not moving. Be sure there's no more juice inside. All you need, a good sharp knife. Firstly, I cut the legs, and you pull that one. And we're going to cut the thighs in two. There's a joint here. You have to find it, and you give the thighs cut in two. Now we're going to do the wings. You cut here, from here to here, and you remove the first wings with your knife. You cut the brochet. You just follow the bone. As you can see, okay, you get one big piece. It's what's called the number 5. Cut in two. Now you can see the bit of flesh on the carcass is perfect to make a stock. You put that at cooking with 1 onion and 2 carrots, and that gives you a beautiful fresh stock. Okay, here's my chicken stock. Onions, carrot, celery, and parsley, and some herbs from the garden, fresh herbs. You let that cooking for 1 hour, and you'll have a beautiful stock. Okay, now we're going to flour our chicken. All right, put them in a flour on both sides, and you just bang like that to remove the excess. Like that, when you cook the sauce, they'll be doing a little bit of thickener, and they'll be giving a nice flavor. Now we're going to do the garnishes Grand Mère. In a pan with a flat surface, you add your little onions that I find, unfortunately, a bit of vinegar, so I soak them in water with sugar. Then you drain well. After you add a glass of water and a bit of clarified butter, and also some sugar, a little bit of sugar to help to caramelize. We'll be putting that on the stove with a little papillote on top, a type of little lids with the hole in the middle. Like that, the steam will escape. Okay, you do like that, and you cut the end. Look. or I mean the middle. All right? And you put that on the stove and you gently cook for 20 minutes, slowly on slow. So basically you cook on slow until the water evaporates and until the little onions get a nice brown color. The term is called glazed. My little onions are ready. Let's store them. Now we're going to do the little lardon. It's, you know, the salted pork belly. So we have to cut them in small cubes and put them in the cold water to blanch them. Now, firstly, you remove the quan. These things is very hard, huh? It's the skin of the pig, very hard. All right, and you cut some little lardon, little bâtonnet like that, half a centimeters. Okay, just on the flame for just 2 minutes. Huh? We just boil and drain. Okay, in a pan, then put some oil and also butter. Yep, a little bit of butter, clarified butter, and my lardons. Just cook for 5 minutes. Then I'll be draining them, stirring them, and keep the beautiful flavored oil for cooking my mushroom. Okay, that's it. 2 little minutes, and that's it. Lardons brown enough. We're going to drain them and keep the oil, all right? I drain my little lardon and I keep all this oil. I'll be using this oil, nice oil, to cook the mushroom. Now let's do the mushroom. Okay, now we're going to cook this mushroom in the oil of the lardon. And we're going to cook the mushroom. They'll be giving a nice flavor. Oh, nice. Now, part of the garnishing, we're going to do the pomme cocotte, the potato Grand Mère. And cocotte, they be carved nicely. I'll see you in a minute. For our potato cocotte, you take some nice potato, I'll give you the size, probably 9-10 centimeters long. You cut them in two. And what you do a rectangular. If you can make a length, maybe 5 centimeters will be perfect. Okay, if you want, not sure, you take a measurement. Okay, you do 5 centimeters, like that, they be all 5 centimeters. Good, what we do after, we cut them, you put them like that, and you make a square. And you have a little rectangular like that. Now, all that, you put them in the water, it's not lost, we'll be making a soup or a mashed potato. Okay, all this part will go in the water, then they don't get black. Okay. But what I want to show you how to make beautiful potato turned by hand. And very impressive, like a la Paul Bocuse. They'll be all the same shape. Now, I'll show you what I do. You take the rectangular and you carve like that. If you can do that, fantastic. You do that on the 4 corners. Now, you keep turning. You do like a little barrel. That's what you do. And it should be all the same size. Other way, you don't get your apprenticeship. That remind me the good time when we were young. Now you can set aside this tiny little potato. You store them in the water until ready to cook, okay? Then they don't get black. During this time, we're going to chop the tarragon. Oh, this tarragon I grow in my garden. It's not marijuana, believe me. They have been washed. That will be for the presentation at the end. And we don't need a lot because it's very strong. But a beautiful flavor. Okay, cooking time. All right, we're going to cook first the potato. Okay, I got them all dry. We put some cold water and we put our potato inside and we want to blanch them. That means just boil the water. As soon as the water boils, we drain it and we cook in the oil. Okay, the potato are boiling, going to drain them. Now, in the same time, we're going to use a pan that goes in the oven. We're going to add a little bit of clarified butter and a little bit of oil. The temperature is okay. And we're going to warm up and saute the potato that we call the Poulet Cocotte. We whistle them in a pan and we finish in the oven for 10 minutes. Potatoes start to brown, they'll be ready to put in the oven to finish at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Good. Now we got all our garnish ready. That's been the mushroom, little brown onion, little lardon, and the decoration for the end. Now, in a pan, we're going to saute the chicken. Olive oil. I got all my herbs inside. Okay, beautiful. Always nice and tasty. Clarified butter. And when the oil will be hot, I'll be putting the chicken now. I place the chicken flesh side down first. Some people will tell you put the skin on first. Now I'll show you the video of Paul Bocuse chef who explain the reason.
Morceau de volaille, on va venir le déposer côté chair. Alors certaines personnes vous diront, faut le démarrer côté peau pour griller le côté peau. Je vais vous montrer, si on démarre côté peau, la différence de forme. Vous avez vu la forme? Regardez la peau comme elle s'est rétractée. Donc ça, c'est ce qu'il ne faut pas faire.
Now, following the advice of the master, I will place all my little piece of chicken flesh side first. The legs are okay because they got skin all around. Don't worry for them. We can add salt and pepper. Cracked pepper is good. Okay, we are going to check. Yes, nice caramelized on the back. Okay, ready? We're going to transfer the chicken in the tray. We finish that in the cooking in the oven. I keep the sauce 200 degrees. Now my little potato, they're beautiful color. They are ready. Beautiful. The chicken. To check if it's cooked, we're going to pick with the point of a knife. And if no blood coming out, it's cooked. The chicken has to be inside at 70 degrees. See, 66, 67, 69. Okay. Guarantee no salmonella. We're going to reduce all the sucs there, caramelized. If they got too much oil, I just discard the oil. Okay. We want to cook the suc, but we don't want to burn them. Be careful. When the sauce is hot enough, you will be deglazing with the white wine. Deglaze. So we let the wine reduce to 3 minutes maximum, and then we'll be adding the chicken stock, tomato paste. Okay, the sauce is ready. We're going to filter the sauce now. Okay, now we reduce the sauce. The sauce has been filtered, and we're going to warm up everything, even the mushroom. Okay, now we're going to do dressage. So in a warm plate, oh, it's hot. Put a little brioche as well. We put 2 pieces of chicken like that, and on the brioche, 1 little piece like that. Okay. Now, this beautiful sauce will be. Look at this sauce, glazed, amazing. Okay, I will put a bit on the brioche as well, huh? Okay, even on top there. Why not? It's beautiful. Okay, a little bit of juice. Now, we can put this little potato, and on top, my little glazed onions. And you can see the lardons. And here we are. A little bit of funny presentation. So, okay, it's nearly ready. So all you need, a little bit of decoration, if you like, something like that. And to finish, my beautiful tarragon. And to finish off, you can add a little garnish like that, simple. And that will be our beautiful chicken. And this is the Poulet Cocotte Grand Mère. Now, let's try this chicken. Oh, that smells good. The chicken is so tender and tasty. Now, the sauce and the mushroom. You can smell the fries in your plate. And these little onions, I couldn't find the small onions, so I had to buy the one, in a jar. But I washed them. Cooked perfectly. With this beautiful aroma of tarragon, I recommend. It can be a big dinner for you, very nice, and it won't blow up the bank, I guarantee. And the potato, soft, much better than the one at McDonald's. Beauty. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got something out of it, please give us a like. And thank you very much for subscribing to my humble channel to encourage me to provide more recipes like this one. Thank you for watching and see you very soon. Bye bye now.